period. It's time.
Bad to the bone. Bad to the bone.
Joe, I'm here with your monthly gift, you know, your period.
Oh, no.
Take the box.
No.
Take the box.
No. What's in the box?
Oh, what's in the box? That's hilarious.
Bad to the bone.
Isn't that true? She gets very nervous. You must take it, dear. It's your monthly gift. I have my way.
Bad to the bone. Bad. Bad.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
I don't want it though.
That was so funny. Here, isn't it terrible she always gets it on Saturday night? Did you have plans for tonight?
Not yet.
Well, you won't now. But that wasn't you last time, was it? Is this your new boyfriend? It didn't last with Kate. It's your time. I have good news. She's not pregnant. Zoe! Shoot. I'm sorry, I forgot.
Bad to the bone. Bad.